Software Spring. Presents. How to use to pure number in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the to pure number function. Here are the topics of this tutorial. Intro to pure number. Syntax and example of to pure number function formula. Objectives of using to pure number function. Intro to pure number. To pure number returns a number by removing its formatting. Syntax and example of to pure number function formula. Value is the number to remove any of its formatting. Here are examples. Value can be, for example, a hard-coded number or a cell address. Objectives of using to pure number function. To convert a formatted number into a pure number. Alright, we are ready to type the to pure number function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, DO, and select a pure number. For value, click this cell, and press enter. Click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. There you go. Here are the numbers without formatting. This number is the number of days elapsed between this date and January 1st, 1900, which is the reference date. This number is returned without any change because it has no formatting. Quick review. To pure number converts a number into a pure number by removing any of its formatting. The to pure number function formula is: value is the number to be converted into a pure number. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.